Hi friends! Today, we're going to learn the last 6 letters of the alphabet. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's go. Letter U. U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry in the rain. Repeat after me. U, umbrella. Letter V. V is for violin, a musical instrument that plays beautiful tunes. Repeat after me. V, violin. Letter W. W is for whale, the biggest animal in the ocean. Repeat after me. W, whale. Letter X. X is for xylophone, a colorful instrument you can play with sticks. Repeat after me. X, xylophone. Letter Y. Y is for yacht, a big boat that sails on the water. Repeat after me. Y, yacht. Letter Z. Z is for zebra, a striped animal that lives in the grasslands. Repeat after me. Z, zebra. Great job, kids! You just learned the letters U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's say them together. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know the whole alphabet from A to Z. Don't forget to watch our other videos to keep practicing. Bye-bye, friends.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry, opening wide when rain falls from the sky. V is for violin, playing a tune, sweet little music all afternoon. W is for whale, big and strong, swimming in the ocean all day long. X is for xylophone, colorful and bright, playing happy notes that sound just right. Y is for yacht, sailing away, gliding on the water all through the day. Z is for zebra, black and white, running in the grasslands, what a sight.